Hi, my name is Monica Willems. I'm a CHI artist and an education ambassador for Farouk Systems. Hair is my canvas, and with the new Chroma Intense dye technology, you're able to create any color you can imagine with a low inventory. Let's get started and show you how it works. As an artist, I like to start with a clean canvas. How I prepped my model today was by shading her regrowth with a 4RR in our CHI Shine Shades, mixed with a 3N in CHI Shine Shades, equal parts. I formulated that with Color Generator 10 volume, and I processed that for 30 minutes. I pre-lightened from 2 inches down to the ends of her hair with CHI Blondest Blonde and Color Generator 30 volume. Our starting level was a level 2 tinted hair. In bowl number 1, we're using CHI Chromashine Dangerously Red. In bowl number 2, we are using CHI Chromashine Orange You Obsessed with CHI Chromashine Mellow My Yellow. And in bowl number 3, we are using Pearl White with a drop of Dangerously Red to create a pink. Now I will show you how this technique works. The recommended processing time of the new CHI Chromashines is 10 minutes under a low heat, allowing at least a 5-minute cool down. For an intense, vibrant deposit, a longer cool down time may be used. Here you can see the CHI Chromashine color palette. With the new Chroma Intense dye technology from CHI, you can now create any color you can imagine. With a low inventory of colors, you can create any color you would like. After the processing time, we rinse the color out of the hair until the water is clear. Towel dry the hair and lock the CHI Chromashine color into the hair with CHI Color Lock treatment. We leave this in the hair for 5 full minutes.